Land Rovers are generally seen as being tough, rugged, and able to go absolutely anywhere. They are great on the motorways, they are great on a muddy field, a snowy field, an icy field, any kind of field really, but their actual mechanical reliability over the decades is rather questionable. They don't exactly have the best reputation for this, so it really shouldn't come as a huge surprise that half of the top 10 or the worst 10 cars in terms of reliability are Land Rovers. And their average repair bill is rather expensive because, of course, Land Rovers are not exactly cheap vehicles. But which specific Land Rovers are particularly unreliable? Who else makes the top 10 list? And is this an accurate reflection of how reliable or unreliable Land Rovers are in 2026? Let's have a look. So this comes about thanks to the Warranty-Wise Reliability Index, which has ranked every single car in the UK in terms of how reliable or unreliable they are. Specifically, the data that we've got here does go towards used premium SUVs or saloon cars. So Land Rover does fit into this category for the purpose of this survey. Effectively, the index takes into account around 1.6 million repair data points across hundreds of thousands of used cars in the UK. And ironically, the bottom 10 are all premium vehicles. Very much premium in terms of their price tag, but not in terms of their reliability. 5 of them are Land Rovers, but BMW aren't much better. 3 of the remaining 5 are Beamers. And the remaining 2 are from Audi and Mercedes. So much for German engineering. I've always said they're overrated, and the data does back it up. But which ones in particular are in the bottom 10? Well, we'll go through the Land Rovers first of all, because that's why you probably clicked on the video. And number 10 overall is the Disco, the Land Rover Discovery. The average repair claim for this vehicle is just over £2,000, £2,050 to be specific. And the average warranty claim for a repair occurs at around 6.8 years in age and around 70,000 miles. Then it's the Range Rover Velar, that is number 7 overall on the list. The average repair bill for this vehicle is £2,217, and the average claim comes after just 6 years and with less than 60,000 miles on the clock. Then straight after that, in number 6, it's the Range Rover Sport. The average claim again is around £2,000 and it occurs at around 7 years in age, or around 67,000 miles. Onto the dishonourable podium, it's the Disco Sport, the Discovery Sport. Again, at £2,000 for the average repair bill, and that occurs around 7 years into its life at around 73,000 miles in distance. And top of the list, or bottom of the list, depending on how you look at it, it's the Defender 110. Average repair bills, £2,000. However, the average claim, just 5 years in age, or around 52,000 miles. For reference, the BMW X7 is second on the list, the X5 is fourth on the list, the BMW 7 Series is number 9 on the list, and the Audi A7 and the Mercedes-Benz S-Class make up the rest of the dishonourable top 10. So there you go, Land Rover owners, BMW owners, let me know in the comments below, is that accurate? Have you owned one of these cars? Do you currently own one of these cars? Are they rather unreliable, or have you been pretty lucky when it comes to how they are? Let me know your thoughts down below. Like, share, comment, subscribe if you want to see more like this here on themotoringchronicle.com. Have a great day, guys. See you very soon.